Good morning to all. Dear parents and children, I heartily welcome you to the virtual classes. As due to the current situations, we have to stay at home due to the lockdown. So we have decided to start the new session from home. So parents, the school has given you a school book kit. In that book kit, you'll find a copy that is like this, and it has 4 lines in it. That will be our English copy. So first of all, let's just remind the children of the ABCs. So parents, let's start by writing the ABCs. As our students know how to write from A to Z, just write down in their copy, write A to Z and give them some time to write it, and they will write it like this. So parents, this is the 4-line copy. This will be our English copy for the session. Let's start by writing write A to Z. Give them to write A to Z and they will write it like so. A, B, C, D, and they will write it up to Z. Then give them to write A to Z in small letters. Write A to Z, and they will write it like so. A, B, C, D. This will be the task to write it. Then we will learn about our vowels today. As students know about, you know that there are 26 alphabets that starting from A to Z. But in those alphabets we have 5 vowels. These are our vowels. They are A, E, I, O and U. Today we will learn about the vowels and their sounds. So children, as I told you that there are 26 alphabets in 26 alphabets, what makes the vowels so special? The vowels are special because they have a sound that we make by using our voice and mouth. So let's learn about the sounds of the vowels one by one, starting from A. Starting from the letter or alphabet A. A has a sound that is A. That makes. So let me give you some examples of the A sound words. They are apple, A, P, P, L, E. Then bat, B, A, T. Then cat, C, A, T. As we learned about A sound words today, we will write down the words that make that A sound makes. That A sound words. B, A, T, bat. Do a drawing for them so that they will understand it in a better manner. A, P, P, L, E, apple. M, A, T, mat. Ask your children to write these words in this manner, like we have given here bat, so they will write it here. They will learn the spelling as well as the sound and then write it, repeat it till the end of the copy, till the end of the page. Parents, these are some other words like cap, tap, fan, van, pan, man. Do this drawing so that they can understand it easily, and it will be fun for them to learn the words, and ask them to write the words or repeat the words here till the end of the page. This is their task for today. This is a book that has been given in the school book kit or the bag. In the bag, find this book and ask the children to write. So the first one is A for apple. Show them the drawing and ask them to color the picture. Then join the dots like this. They will join it. After joining, then ask them to write it in the blank spaces as shown here. Make a circle, then a standing line that represents a small a. So ask them to complete this page and as well as this page. This will be the task from this book. This is the other book that has been given in the school book kit, My Book of Cursive Writing. This will help to improve the students' cursive handwriting. We will start one by one. We will start with the letter A and let them learn all the words and then join the dots like this. Parents do help them if they cannot do it themselves. Hold their pencils and then let them do it on their own. After finishing the dotted lines, they'll get a habit of writing, then they can write it on their own in this space given below. So they will complete this page today. This is another book, Essential English Reader Pre-Primer. As we have learned about the word letter A today, so they have to complete this page. Page number 5, A for apple and aeroplane. Let them join the dots and complete this book like so. This is what they have to do. Thank you parents and children for joining our virtual class. I hope you have learned today's lesson. And parents, please help your child to complete the task that I have given. And for the time being, we will continue our classes like this. Stay safe and stay at home. Thank you.